Okay, so you want to know that whether entry permit can be extended or not. Guys, as long as you know about residence visa that is already stamped on your passport and it is expired. Either it is expired or you have been outside UAE for 6 months. It has been auto renewed. GDRFA has already done that. On the other hand, for other Emirates, ICA has already done that, and for Dubai, GDRFA has done that. So you don't need to worry. And in case you are still doubtful, you just have to go to the GDRFA website, which is there, or ICA, which is there in the description box. Enter your residence, your stamped resident visa number, and you're gonna get your visa extended. I mean, if you get that 1 month period, even if your visa is expired, you can just go and do whatever you want. Get your visa extended, or your renewal date has come, you can do that. I guess last year we had to pay the overstay fines. So this year I'm not sure whether they are taking overstay, but I'm pretty sure that if it's already expired and you are going on that return entry permit, the GDRFA approval, entry permit holders, students, wives, family of employees who are already working there, what do you have to do? If your husband is stuck here, your wife is stuck here, your children are stuck here, what do you have to do? Now, the main thing is to be taken care by the sponsor. My entry permit is sponsored by Amity University. That is my university. So I just contacted my university. I told them, sir, due to the ban, I could not travel. Please extend my entry permit. They charged me a fee for that. And unfortunately, it is unfortunate only that I could not go within the stipulated time. So I had to pay this fee. My entry permit got renewed for 2 months. 2 more months. Fine, that is okay. Now, what about you? If your sponsor is any company or any individual, you just have to go to the GDRFA or ICA and you have to log in there and you have to apply for entry permit extension. There are many agencies in the UAE who are doing this. My university is doing it for me. Your company might be doing it for you. Or if your sponsor is an individual, that individual can take help of any agency and get it done through them, or they can simply go to the website and do it on their own by paying a fee. The fee for my university was 840 dirhams, which is you convert it into Indian rupees, Pakistani rupees, or wherever you're watching from, you can get it converted. 840 dirhams, and for 2 months it will be extended. It expired on 19th August. Now it will, the fresh one, it will take about a week. It will again be extended for 2 months. So this is about entry permit extension. And guys, the government is not showing any mercy till now. As of date I'm shooting this video, they have not shown any mercy for entry permit holders in form of extension. But residence visa holders have already got their extension, and you can view it on GDRFA or ICA website. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any question, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. You can simply tweet to me, I will reply. And if you have any education related thing, you can go to my website. It's flashing over here. You can go log in and have a chat with me one-on-one like this. I'm going to be sharing my experience in academics, in work, in corporate world, everything with you. Any social media, whatever you want. Just this is my website. Go and you can book an appointment. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. My only aim is to help myself and help you guys. So please when you're watching this channel, I would assure you, I would like to guarantee you that peace of mind. You don't have to panic, that whether this information is verified. No, because I'm not going to do that, guys. I'm not hungry for views. I'm going to put out content. You'll see that my subscribers are growing, but my views are very low because I don't create that kind of clickbait content. Because I know it's of no use, because I'm not a commercial YouTuber who will just, do all this. But I will be shooting vlogs, okay, once I go to Dubai. I'll be showing you my student life, my job life. I'll be showing how I cook, how I'm renting an apartment, how I'm going to export my doing all sightseeing, Burj Khalifa, everything. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, guys. And don't forget to comment. It's my humble request, because unless you comment, I won't understand that what is your response to this video. Because see, whatever you want to see, you let me know through private medium, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn also, and Twitter. So you let me know, and when I make this, after there's no response from your end. So it feels I'm putting in effort, calling here and there and getting all resources and then giving it to you, and there's no response from that end. It feels a bit bad. But nevertheless, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care. Namaskar. Jai Hind.